Hi everyone, my name is Alaba. I'm a travel enthusiast and a content creator. If today is your first time here, welcome on board. And for returning subscribers, thank you for your continued support. Today, I'll be talking about the German naturalization test. The Germans call it the Einbürgerung test. That's the German citizenship test. If this sounds interesting to you, please stick around. Welcome back. I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about the Einbürgerung test. That is the German citizenship test. The test is for people who intend to apply for German citizenship. Okay, the cost of the test is 25 euros. Okay, and to take the test, you need to register online or you visit any Volkshochschule near you. Any Volkshochschule, any Volkshochschule, any Volkshochschule. Schule is school. Any Volkshochschule. Okay. Details is about the history of Germany, the society, and the political system in Germany. Okay, I'm going to display the website of the school where you can register. All right, and to practice for the test, you can also get practice questions on www.bmi.bond.de www.bmi.bund.de. Okay. Alternatively, you can go to your Google Play Store for Android users and type Leben in Deutschland. For iOS users, that is for iPhone users, you can also get it in the Apple Store. Go to your Apple Store and type Leben in Deutschland. Leben is spelled Leben, then in Deutschland. When you type this into Apple Store, then the app pops up. Download the app, and on the app, you have 310 practice questions. You can practice with these questions because on the day of reckoning, that's on the day of the exam, you have 33 questions and you're expected to pass at least 17 of the questions. Okay? You need to pass at least 17. To be on the safe side, you need to pass at least 18 of the questions. Okay? Once you are done with the test, the results will be sent to your mailing address between 6 to 8 weeks by BANF. BANF is the Bodensamt for Migration and Flüchtlinge. That's the authority for foreigners and for immigrants in the country. Okay, I'm going to do a little recap. It's going to cost you 25 euros to pay. The cost of the test is 25 euros. I beg your pardon. You have 310 practice questions, and on the day of the exam, you have to answer 33 questions. You need to pass at least 17 or 18. Okay, and the results will be sent to you via post. It will be sent to your mailing address. Okay. And what else am I forgetting? Yeah, you can also register for the course. The course is called orientation course. You can register for the course. You do the course for probably between 3 weeks to 4 weeks. Then thereafter, you can register for the course if you need somebody to um, enlighten you about the what obtains in Germany, that's the society, the history of the country, the political system in Germany. And mind you, depending on the state you are, there is in the exam you answer 10 questions relating to your state. For instance, if you live in Berlin, out of the 33 questions you are going to answer, 10 out of the questions is going to be questions relating to Berlin. Then the other 23 will be divided into history, the society, and the political system in the country. So that's the information I have for you this morning. Okay, if you like the video, please give the video a thumbs up, and don't forget to share the video with your friends. Okay, thank you for your time, and see you on the next one. Bye.